Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome back to Shikdar School. Lovely viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn a new phrase, that is keep plus verb plus ing. Friends, let's get started. Keep doing করতে থাকো, keep doing করতে থাকো, keep writing লিখতে থাকো, keep writing লিখতে থাকো, keep reading পড়তে থাকো, keep reading পড়তে থাকো, keep singing গান গাইতে থাকো, keep singing গান গাইতে থাকো, keep dancing নাচতে থাকো, keep dancing নাচতে থাকো, keep dancing নাচতে থাকো, keep waiting অপেক্ষা করতে থাকো, keep waiting অপেক্ষা করতে থাকো, keep running দৌড়াতে থাকো, keep running দৌড়াতে থাকো, keep running দৌড়াতে থাকো, keep walking হাঁটতে থাকো, keep walking হাঁটতে থাকো, keep eating খেতে থাকো, keep eating খেতে থাকো, keep playing খেলতে থাকো, keep playing খেলতে থাকো, keep speaking কথা বলতে থাকো, keep speaking কথা বলতে থাকো. No more today. Wish you best of luck. Keep practicing spoken English with Shikdar School. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. See you in the next video.